Hi, my name is Leisha Murphy, and I am a co-founder at Connect Family Law. And with me today is Alyson Jones from Alyson Jones and Associates. And we wanted to talk to you a little bit about an exciting project that we have going on at Connect Family Law, where we are offering our clients going through separation and divorce a 1.5-hour counseling session with some counselors at Alyson Jones. So to jump right in, the first question I wanted to ask Alyson is, what are some of the benefits that you see from early intervention of counseling when people are going through a separation or divorce?
Well, I think this really is, we can't just put everybody separate into silos, right? This is, when you're going through a divorce, it involves all sorts of different things. It involves our emotional, it involves legal, it involves financial, it involves all sorts of things. So having that counseling come in can help you understand kind of the emotional impact, but it can give you information. And I always say that, information is power. And that way we can kind of come back feeling more empowered, feeling more knowledgeable around navigating the circumstances that we find ourselves in. And it can be kind of complicated. So the more information, the more tools that we have to assist clients in moving forward.
Yeah, thanks, Alyson. A follow-up question to that is maybe you could tell us a little bit about the counselors that are going to be working with the clients of Connect. And our lawyers and the counselors at Alyson Jones had a meeting to actually discuss what would be really beneficial for our clients that are going through separation, and actually giving people tools during this 1.5-hour session. And perhaps you could kind of talk about some examples of what clients could expect from this session.
Sure, absolutely. So first I want to let you know that let the clients know that the counselors here, this is their area of specialty. They work all the time with families, with people, with individuals that are in transition. So they really are there and can support. They're bringing a wealth of knowledge. They're all experienced therapists. And we've got Jorge Gonzalez, and he's got a real depth of experience. He's been doing this for a long time, and he really has been working with me closely on these things. And Sally Ann Ross, who is got an amazing ability of weaving in particularly issues with parenting, right, and adjustment. And then Heather Lake, who is a dynamo, and she is just so good at being able to meet clients where they're at and encourage them and helping them in those next steps. And that's one of the things I would say, that everybody is an individual. So this isn't a cookie cutter, right? It's not like they're going to come in and talk and it's just going to get, exactly the same information. It's going to be tailored to that specific client. And it doesn't take us long to be able to learn what you need, right? Because this is something we do. And, but some of the things that we're going to be looking at is, providing some information about how to deal with change, right? And how to process change and move through change, how to find those skills to kind of understand and regulate your own emotions that you're going through. And also there'll be a psychoed piece on working with, families and your children and what they might need, right? Because the parents that are going through divorces, they're thinking about their kids and they want their best for their kids. They're trying to help themselves adjust and help their kids adjust. So one of the things we are going to be offering for sure is very strong practical information around how you can support yourself and support your children in moving forward.
That's great, Alyson. Thanks so much for explaining that, because I think some people are hesitant to go to counselors. They're already dealing with so much change in their life. And I think it's important to know what they can expect and how this can really, even the 1.5-hour session, if they don't even go to another session after that, can benefit them in a material way and benefit their kids.